superstition. But I started thinking after you, we could be made for each other, more than just lovers. But I guess that we will never know. 'Cause now we're back being casual, not very special. If you just said by then, ooh, 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 I always thought that we'd meet again. I hope you like to do that too. You have those eyes I wouldn't forget. And now I'm just dreaming about you. We could be made for each other, more than just lovers. But I guess that we will never know. 'Cause now we're back being casual, not very special. If you just said by then, ooh, 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 ooh,
my friend, welcome back. Today is Tuesday. I had to think about that for a second. We're loaded up in the car because I have to do an Aldi pickup order. This past weekend was my kiddo's birthday party, and I haven't really went grocery shopping for like stuff in the house. Like, I've been grocery shopping for the birthday party and getting everything we need for that, but I realized that we have no food in the house. So I placed an order yesterday for pickup because I'm tired and I don't really have it in me to walk around the store and pick everything out. So I figured, why not just do a pickup order and get my groceries that way. And we're gonna go pick up the groceries and head back, and I'm gonna show you what we got. And then afterwards, I need to organize my pantry.
110.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. You say that you're from out of town. I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I think I've waited all these years for you right here. But how will I ever know if you go? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you.
First, over here, I got some white bread, and then I got some hamburger buns. I got some of these bagels. You guys know that we love these garlic knots, so I got more of those to keep in the freezer. I got some protein wraps for myself. I got 2 things of spaghetti. This is 2 pounds, so it'll be enough for 4 meals. I got 2 things of cottage cheese. My husband likes to have cottage cheese and crackers. I got some string cheese. Got some liquid egg whites to add in with our eggs in the morning for just some more protein. I got some pickles for my husband's lunches. I'm trying to find different things to put in his lunch bag. I got 2 things of blueberries. I got 3 things of this beef smoked sausage for cabbage and noodles. Well, I got 4 things. I got some sweet cream butter, some American Singles Kraft cheese. I got 2 things of eggs. I got a package of chicken. This will feed us for a couple meals. I got some drinkable yogurts, these Danimals smoothie yogurts, and then I got some of these moo tubes. Over here I got some mini muffins. And I got 2 of these flour tortillas, the 8 count, for my husband's lunches and breakfast and things like that. I got 2 things of shredded wheat, and then I got a thing of Honey Nut Crispy Oats Cheerios, the Aldi brand. I got some of these Slim Jims, just the Aldi brand, for my husband's lunches again. I got some saltine crackers, some egg noodles. I got a head of cabbage. I got some maple brown sugar. My kids like to have oatmeal once in a while in the mornings, and we're all out, so I got more. I got some Cheez-Its, some golden round crackers back here, and then I got some mandarin oranges fruit cups. Then over here, I got some broccoli bites. My kids love these. I put them in the air fryer and they scarf them down, so I got more of those. They didn't have any last time I ordered groceries, so I'm grateful that they had them this time. I got some caramel corn rice cakes for myself. I got some popsicles, these strawberry frozen ones, and the Bomb Pops. I got some black cherry flavored water just for something fun to drink. I got this cheesy skillet because we have a ton of ground beef in my freezer, so I figured to have some things on hand to make for like quick dinners and things like that we're not eating out all the time. It's way more cost effective to have things like this on hand because like I said, I have a ton of ground beef. So I just got some of this cheesy skillet dinner kit, like hamburger helper, got 2 of those, and then I got a chicken and broccoli one. That's why I bought the pack of chicken for to have that one night. I'm just gonna throw the chicken in my freezer, and then whenever we need a meal, we'll have it on hand. I got 2 things of traditional spaghetti sauce. I flavor my own sauce, so this is fine. I got another thing of Parmesan cheese. I don't really need it, but I'll keep it in my pantry to have on hand. I got 6 bananas, some of these veggie straws, Parmesan garlic and herb pita chips. And then my husband said that these were really good last time I got them. He likes the cheddar cheese and sausage bites, so I got him those. And then I also got these ones as well, the Colby Jack and turkey sausage bites. So these are good for his lunches. I can just kind of like throw one in. He has some protein on hand, like a protein source, so got those for that. I got some finely shredded cheese, the sharp cheddar one, and then I got some of these snap peas. Snap peas are delicious. They're one of my favorite things to snack on. 2 pounds of strawberries. My kids like strawberries. And then I got a lot of salad. I'm gonna use one of them for dinner one night, and then I'm going to also have these for lunches this week for myself. So I got 2 of the Caesar chopped salad kits, one to have for dinner because my husband likes it as well, and then one to have for myself. And then my kids and I both like the bacon Caesar one, so I got this for them and myself one day as like a side for lunch. And then I got myself the sunflower chopped salad kit, and then the bacon avocado ranch chopped salad kit. I got some chicken patties to eat for lunches, dinners, things like that. We just needed to like restock a bunch of stuff. And then I got some fries. Over here I got 2 things of protein shakes. Normally we do the Premier protein shakes, but I haven't ordered any of those from Costco, so I just got the Elevation ones from Aldi. We'll see how they taste. I got one of these strawberry sparkling waters. I got 2 things of corn because we ate a couple having steaks and whatnot, so I just got a couple to replenish my stock. I got a bunch of tuna. I'm gonna have some for lunch one day and whatnot with one of my salad kits for some protein. So I got that, and also my kids like to have tuna and crackers as well. So I got some for them, and then for myself I got some of these Celsius drinks. I got 2 of the guava and 1 of the watermelon. All of the cold stuff is now put away, so I'm gonna go ahead and share with you my meal plan. And then my kiddos are blowing up balloons, so that's what you hear in the background. Kids will be kids, so I'm sorry for the background noise. But anyway, now that the cold stuff is put away, I'm gonna go ahead and share with you my meal plan for the week, and then we are going to be reorganizing my cabinets. So real quick for dinners this week, we're gonna be doing steak, corn, and mashed potatoes. I already have that on hand. So I don't have to get anything for that. We're gonna be doing spaghetti and garlic knots. I already have the stuff on hand for that, but I also like to stock up whenever I'm making it because it's not a very expensive meal. So when I do make it, I just like to replenish what I'm using. I'm gonna be making hamburger helper and salad. Then I'm gonna do cabbage and noodles. That's what the cabbage and all the sausage was for and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna be doing hamburgers and fries.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, yeah. Or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter, yeah. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it all we had. It's time to say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry.